My dear friends, today we are going to very important topics of mathematics, that is called polygon. Polygon is a geometrical mathematics. Its definition: it is a closed geometrical shape of minimum 3 line segments. Minimum 3 line segments or more. So here we have taken it is 2 types of polygon. One is regular polygon, one is irregular polygon. When all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, that is called regular polygon. When all the sides are not equal, angles also not equal, that is called irregular polygon. Here we will discuss mainly the regular polygon. So definition is that minimum 3 line segment, closed geometrical shape of minimum 3 line segment. Maybe more. 3, after 3, 4 line segment, 5 line segment, 6 line segment. If 3 line segment, it is called equilateral triangle. If 4 line segment, it is called a square. 5 line segment, it is called pentagon, regular pentagon. 6 line segment, it is called regular hexagon, and like so. Here we will take first example of regular hexagon of 6 equal sides. Now, to understand the polygon, we will have to understand the 2 main formula. One formula for angle, another formula for sides. One formula is related with the angles. In that case, sides will be given. When we have to find the internal angle or total angle, in that case, sides will be already given. For example, number of sides given 6. For example, number of sides given 6. Then what will be the each interior angle? 6 minus 2, it is 4. 4 into 180 degree, it is equal to 720 degree. This is the total interior angle. This is the total interior angle. Now how we will find the each interior angle? Then total interior angle divided by number of sides. Number of sides given 6, so divide by 6, it will be 120. After cancellation, it will be 120. So, for regular hexagon, when number of sides is 6, the each interior angle will be 120 degree. Another example we can take, suppose n is given 5, it is a pentagon. In that case, 5 minus 2, 3, and 3 into 180, 3 into 180, it is 540 degree. Total interior angle will be 540 degree. And for each interior angle, you 540 divided by number of sides 5, 5 1 is 5 and 8, 108. Each interior angle will be 108 degree for regular pentagon for 5. So 2 examples I have taken. Now next important part is how to find the number of sides. In that case, number of interior angle will be given. Interior angle will be given. Then we will find the number of sides. What is the formula for number of sides? Number of sides n is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. So we will have to find the exterior angle. How we will find the exterior angle? 180 minus internal angle minus interior angle. Suppose we have to find number of sides for 60 degree interior angle. Suppose we have to find number of sides for 60 degree interior angle. Then we will put here n is equal to 360 divided by 180 minus 60. It will be 120. After cancellation, it will be here 360 divided by 120 is equal to 6. No, 3. 3. 12 3 36. So for 60-degree interior angle, number of sides is 3. It means the shape is equilateral triangle. The shape is equilateral triangle. When the internal angle is given 60 degree, the shape is equilateral triangle. Now suppose number of sides n for interior angle 120 degree. What will be the number of sides for interior angle 120? So n is equal to 360 divided by 180 minus 120. 360 divided by 60 degree is equal to 6. 6 means the geometrical shape will be hexagon, regular hexagon. When interior angle 120 degree, the number of sides will be 6. So two main questions. In one first type, we can find the angles, and in that case number of sides will be given. Second type, we will find the sides when internal angle will be given. Now what is the relation between the angle and side? This is a very important. What is the relation between angle, internal angle and number of sides? When the internal angle will increase, number of sides will increase and the polygon will be of bigger size. Size of the polygon will also increase. It is directly proportional. When the interior angle is increasing, the number of sides also increasing and shape and size of the polygon also increasing. So it all angle, sides and shape, size all are directly proportional. Suppose here the internal angle is 120 degree. In that case there are 6. When the internal angle is 60 degree, then sides are 3. Number of sides n is equal to 3. When the angles are 120 degree, number of sides are 6. In same, suppose the angle is 165 degree, the number of sides n is equal to 24. So when angle is increasing, number of sides is increasing, n is increasing, and shape and size of the polygon is also increasing. This is the directly proportional. All angle, side and size directly proportional. So this is the main aspect. Angle, how to find angle, how to find number of sides. One will be given, another will have to find out. Angle will be given, then you find the number of sides. Number of sides will be given, then you find the angles. So this is the main important facts of the polygon. If this you understood about the angle and sides, the concept of polygon is almost clear. Thank you very much.